In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your Bank of America credit card limit. Now, in order to do this, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and call the official Bank of America number. And basically, we need to go ahead and request a credit card limit increase and provide details about our income and financial situation. So let me go ahead and show you guys the phone number that you guys need to go ahead and dial. All right, so this is the Bank of America debit card customer support line, and this is only for personal cards. So if you have a credit card that is just for you yourself, then you need to go ahead and call this number. And essentially, you need to go ahead and request them to increase your credit card limit so that you're able to go ahead and actually spend more. But obviously, they may not approve you because you will need a decent income and you will also need to detail them your financial situation. And here are some good tips for approval. So you want to have good payment history. Ensure that at least 6 to 12 months of on-time payments with no late or missed payments. And also, you want to make sure you have low credit utilization. Pay down balances to keep your credit usage below 30% of your current limit. And also, if you just recently got a promotion at your work or something like that, then you want to report any increase in personal or business income to justify a higher limit. This is really important, guys. And another thing that you want to do is timing. So you want to wait at least 6 months after opening the account or your last request, because if you frequently try to request a higher limit, then it could lead to denial. So please keep that in mind. And in general, you guys just want to be responsible with your credit card. So you want to regularly use the card and pay off balances to demonstrate reliability. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.